Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm gonna be making macaroni, but instead of just like 3 boxes, I'm gonna make as many as I can today. That sounds unbelievable, but you know, we're gonna try. So I'm just gonna take this box. And yeah, this is all my macaroni. So about a couple months ago, I took a trip to America. I got my hands on these American macaroni boxes. Now these are illegal in Canada, probably because of the GMOs, but they're hella delicious. So we're gonna try them. So to get started, we're gonna grab a pot, a colander, and a spoon that I got from Dollarama. It says, "Happiness is licking the spoon." Yeah, we all like that. Okay, so we're gonna start with my favorite, the American Original. Now, last time I had this, it gave me really bad gas. I'm not sure why this gives me bad gas compared to the others, but we're gonna eat it anyways because my wife is hungry. Okay, we got the pot. Gonna get it nice and hot. That rhymes. You wanna see this water? Come here.
One of the bubbles. I like that.
Alright, that's a good amount of water, I think. Anyways, we're gonna put it on the stove. We're gonna turn it onto high heat. And we're gonna take, where's my soap? There it is. Just gonna sprinkle it in there. Like that. One of those flakes. It's almost as flaky as my white skin. Okay, so we took a look at the macaroni boxes. The water's just boiling over there, if you can see that. Yeah. But if you look at the ingredients, so here's the ingredients on the bottom of like the American one. It has like a bunch of weird enzymes and like weird stuff in it. And then you got this Canadian one which has like nothing in it. So I think that's why I have bad gas. I like the American version. Okay, so the water's bubbling. We're gonna open our cheese packet. It's always a struggle. We got our cheese packet. Look at that. It's so fancy. Anyways, put in that cheese. Come take a look inside my bowl. Okay guys, it took like 5 minutes to cook instead of like 7 minutes. It's crazy. I'm not sure if it's the climate or what, but it's ready. Just kind of ignore what I just did there. It's hot. Anyways, we got our macaroni. Look at that. A nice noodle. 4 tablespoons of butter. That's a lot. That's 4 tablespoons.
Roughly.
Okay. Just slap it in there. Just rub it in there. Oh, broken half. Just kind of slap it in there. Yes. Mommy likes it. Hey, stop stepping back. Come here.
I can't, or else you're not getting the shot.
Oh, I thought you were getting scared.
No.
Come check this out. We have the butter incorporated. Now it's time for the milk. And you know me, I like my 100% homo milk. So we're gonna add it into our macaroni and just splash it in there, kind of like that. Gotta make sure that the wife is happy. Yes, she's pretty hungry right now. She needs some American noodle in her mouth.
You're an American noodle.
I am. I have an American noodle. Don't you worry. Now look at that cheese. It looks more, it's clumpy. I will have you try this glorious bowl of macaroni. Doesn't that look amazing? Are you ready?
Yes. It looks different.
Oh, it does. Does it smell different? Give her a nice woof.
I can barely smell it.
Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Try that. How is it?
It's a different texture.
Oh.
It's good.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm used to this Canadian stuff though. You're not. You don't like it at all.
Well, but I mean, how does this compare to the crappy Canadian craft dinner?
I'm gonna stick with my Canadian stuff.
What? No.
Yeah.
Here.
It's good.
Here, no more bites. You're no longer hungry. You're gonna starve me.
Anyways, now it's my turn, because I'm the true American. Now this is amazing. You see, it's the perfect cheesiness, the perfect chemical balance. I personally would give this a 9 out of 10.
I say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Oh.
U.S. macaroni and cheese, 9 out of 10. Hell yeah.
Okay, so I washed the pot. I'm gonna fill that up, but before I do, here, we are gonna try a flavor boost butter chicken, since I love butter chicken with all my heart, and I'm just excited to try this. So we'll give it a go. So we got the bowl bubbling. Check it out. Yes. I'm gonna try to open this packet nicely compared to the American one. See which one is boxed better. See, I think it's only because I had the technique down that it was easier, so, you know. Plop that in and stir. Okay guys, noodles are ready after like 7 minutes again. 1 tablespoon of butter. Does that look like 1 tablespoon?
Sure.
Anyways, check this out. Butter has disappeared. So we're gonna add in the milk. Maybe add some more milk. Doesn't hurt just to be a little more homo, you know? This powder looks the same as the last one. How much homo do I have to add? There we go. And then we add the booster butter chicken.
It's limited edition.
Oh my. Look at all those spices. Oh, look at that bad boy. Anyways, let's plate our creation. Just slip it in here. Check that out. Butter chicken macaroni. Who would have ever thought that this would have been a thing? Mmm.
I don't like it.
Yeah. How would you rate it?
3 out of 10.
It looks goopy. It looks good, but gross. I like it. Anyways.
You might like it, but I just
Only
don't.
Chef Wes's opinion matters on this channel. So it tastes nothing like butter chicken. Imagine adding cheese to butter chicken. It's not good. A 3 out of 2. That's what I gotta give it.
3 out of 2?
3 out of 2.
That means it's better. It means it's above 100%.
What?
If it's 3 out of 2.
Oh, I mean 3 out of 10.
Butter chicken booster, 3 out of 10. It sucks, doesn't taste like butter chicken, too much pepper.
I think it is starting. Okay, back up, pretty lady. Next one we're doing is a cheesy jalapeno Cheetos macaroni. So we got the other one boiling. We'll open this one now. It's a Cheetos packet, harder to open.
Don't throw it in the box because I want to look at the ingredients.
Yes, this one is harder to open. I think I opened it wrong. It hurts my nails. Yeah, that one's really hard to open. Anyways, we're gonna put the noodle right in there and stir it. Okay guys, it's ready. I tasted it. And it's nice and soft like my grandma's leg. This one calls for 2 tablespoons. So I'll kind of just like, that's 2 tablespoons. Oh. So I just added the milk and the butter is all incorporated. So now, that was nice. This one's gonna be quite nice, I have to say. Got my bowl. We just gotta plate it. Look at that. Looks quite nice.
I think it's good. I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. It wouldn't be my first choice.
The jalapeno Cheetos macaroni. Let's give this a try. It's got like little green specks in it. Just hit my throat with some spiciness. Yeah, this was pretty good. Oh, the spiciness is in me. Anyways, it's pretty good. Man, it's 7 out of 10. That's what I think.
Jalapeno Cheetos mac and cheese, 7 out of 10.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do one more because the wifey is getting full. So we're gonna have her choose the last one.
I want to try like one of the creamy ones.
A creamy? Oh.
Let's do this one because we haven't tried like the white cheese yet today. The white cheddar.
Okay, guys, we got it boiling again. I'm gonna use this Annie's Deluxe Rich and Cream. Ooh, that one opened up nice. What is this? It's like super soft. Like, just put your finger in it and it stays. So it's shell noodles too. Ooh, this one's gonna be pretty good, I have to say. Now, since this is the last box of the day, such a special occasion requires such a special drink. Now, disclaimer, I am of age, so don't sue me. Anyways, follow. What I have in my freezer is Snoop Dogg's Rosé. Now, I'm not gonna show you the little sticker thing because, you know, I don't know these rules on YouTube. But we're gonna have a glass of wine today with this macaroni. Anyways, I'll cheers for you.
Thanks. It's okay. I've had better rosés, but.
How dare you? That was like $28. Okay, so after we drank that whole bottle, the macaroni was ready. Add cheese sauce and stir to mix. Just kind of pour that guy in. So creamy. Ugh. It's kind of gross. And put it right on the stove. This is so weird. Bam, look at that. It's ready. We'll take our bowl, place it. Look at that. Thick and creamy.
What does it smell like?
Cheese.
Oh. Try that. Yeah.
That's what gone. 9.5 out of 10.
Really? What? Just because
Oh,
it's
Leslie.
creamy? What? Is there hair?
Yes.
Oh, well, extra
Minus
fiber.
20 points for you.
I'll just eat the hair, don't worry.
Hey, Dad. Here, come over here, follow me. It's a big bite. Nice and creamy.
That's good.
How would you rate it out of 10?
An 8.
Damn. Chef Wes's turn.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, 6 out of 10.
Damn.
I don't know what's with you guys. You guys have cheap, non-sophisticated mouths.
Annie's Rich and Creamy. What did I give it? 6 out of 10? Hell yeah. It's not nice. I don't really like it, but you know, it's a 6 out of 10, so whatever.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I still got like plenty of macaronis that we should try. So comment the one that you want to try next. I'll see you next time.